And in the meantime, can I just say, from me personally, what a great audience you've been, because without you here tonight, this would have been one hell of a rehearsal. So thanks for coming. We'll see you all again next year, plus all your friends and your neighbours and anybody else that you can drag off the street, get them in. Yeah? Have you enjoyed it?
Yes!
Okay, here's the finale. Once again, Land of Hope and Glory.
Where's the fireworks? Well, what's last year?